You know the company as Apple. Today, a beloved tech giant. It was the first to reach the elusive $1 trillion market cap here in the US. Yet, few know that its biggest competitor, Microsoft, is one of the only reasons Apple is where it is today. It's a tale of tech, tenacity, and the art of the unexpected bailout. Let's be clear, this wasn't just about the money. This was about legacy, strategy, and even a dash of mutual respect. But we're getting ahead of ourselves. Let's start at the beginning of the near end of Apple. It's the mid-90s. Flannel is the fashion, dial-up is the internet, and Apple is, well, not quite the Apple we know today. Apple is grappling with dwindling sales, losing ground to PCs, and a vision that was very much blurred until Jobs' return in '96. You see, Steve Jobs' comeback marked a pivot point for Apple, but the tech sphere was morphing rather fast. Apple's operating software, System 7, was considered to be outdated compared to the beast of then, Windows 95. And do you remember Apple's Newton? Of course you don't. It was a commercial failure, and Apple's stock price by the mid-90s reflected all of this, with the company having a massive $1 billion in losses by the end of '97. To put it bluntly, Apple was the tech world's Titanic in the late 90s. It was iceberg struck and slowly sinking. Who else turned to the SOS call? Microsoft tuned in to Apple's SOS. The competitor turned ally invested $150 million in non-voting Apple stock. They even promised 5 years of Mac-compatible Office software. This partnership was revealed at the 1997 Macworld Expo. It sparked a transformation. Apple pared down from the 15 product lines to a core 4, embracing the new mantra that still resonates today: think different. And boy did they. Let's pause. Why did the tech Goliath of the time bail out David in 1997? It's mostly strategic. Microsoft didn't need a competitor to avert the antitrust regulators' eyes. A monopoly at this point was a game best left on the shelf, which they'd pick up at a later date. Investing in Apple's resurgence was a savvy financial play. Microsoft's exit strategy was abundantly clear. They sold their $150 million in Apple investment in 2003. It was then worth an estimated $550 million.
You were a good investment.
Pockets padded? Undoubtedly. Now, let's shift gears to the present, because Microsoft might be looking for another gift. Microsoft has aligned themselves with OpenAI. While OpenAI is not in need of rescue, they are ripe for investment. Could this be another long game akin to their Apple strategy? And if history does repeat itself, will we see another spectacle unfolding with GPT-4? Perhaps we already are. In any case, one thing remains a constant. The tech titans game is played on a board of strategy, foresight, and often unexpected grace. As we witness these titans make their moves, remember, we're not just bystanders either. We're active participants in this changing world. With Pluto.fi at our fingertips, we're empowered to make better, more informed decisions about our finances and money. Be an active participant in your changing world. Keep exploring, stay curious, and until next time, think different. Later, traders.